in this fourth lesson, right, you'll be learning how to, alter your 2D design to a 3D design. Okay, so how are we going to do? Okay, remember the last exercise itself, okay, you have actually designed two, okay, so let me just refresh your memory. You can have a design with a slot like this, or you can have a design, all right, with a slot like this, okay, depending on the position you put in for the slots. So let's say right now I choose this as my design, then I'm going to convert it to 3D design. So how am I going to do it? Okay, first of all, you will be finding, okay, you will need to find this template, which looks like this, okay, and insert it as the background. Okay, so insert this as your template. Okay, you blank it first, then choose the one that you have, right, chosen, copy, right, copy, and then go to a new blank page, right, you will need to paste it. Okay, just done, and it should be there. Okay, so let me blank the original one. Okay, try not to work on the original one. As you can see, this one is already done. Okay, it's pasted there. Next, okay, unblank your template. Okay, change your template such that the opacity is lower. Okay, then go back to the one that you have pasted. Adjust. Okay, go to this four arrows. Okay, which is the movement thing. Look for this one. Can you see? Okay, you can adjust them. All right, press on it and you can adjust. Okay, make sure you have put all this in the four corners. All right. Okay, something like this. Make sure it's aligned properly. The dotted lines are following the template. Okay, adjust them nicely. Again. Okay, let me just give me some time. Adjust slowly. Okay, this part here not so good. Okay, once it's done, press done. Okay, and your 2D design has been changed, okay, into a 3D design for the first step. So how do I make it into a 3D? Okay, again, you will need to use this template. Go back to your the one that you have changed, okay, the one that you have altered, tilted into isometric view. Copy on the same, all right, on the same template itself, on the same layer, press paste. Okay, press paste. Then you can shift before you press done. Okay, make sure you shift and adjust such that it is touching the other side of the template box. Okay, something like this. Okay, adjust them. Okay, accordingly. Okay, something like this. Then once you're okay, ready, press done. Okay, very simple. Then after this is done, okay, what you need to do is to form a 3D object out of these two layers. Okay, these two 2D objects. So how are you going to do it? For this exercise, you will need to use a lot of the ruler. Okay, a lot of the ruler function. Okay, straight ruler. Now you have to try to decipher, okay, where to join the two sides such that they will form a 3D. Okay, so from the obvious places, you start from the obvious places, for example here. Okay, you draw to connect them. Right, maybe here. You join them. Okay, maybe here. Right, down here. Okay, down here. Okay, I'm doing a quick one. Later I'll show you how the final looks like. Okay, I'll just show you a quick step down here. And for the curve part, go to the maximum area. Okay, where the ruler is touching both curves. Okay, down here. You join them. There's another point here. You join them. Right? Down here. Join them. Okay, later you'll be touching up, not to worry if you draw a bit out of line. Okay, and that's about it. Now you can blank your template so it looks like this. Now you got to touch up your 3D drawing using your eraser. Okay, make sure the size is small so that you can zoom in and erase. For example, you got to erase away the portion that, based on this isometric view itself, those surfaces that you are not supposed to see, the lines that you're not supposed to see, you have to erase away. For example, this one. Okay, zoom in and erase away the line. Can? Right? And etc. Okay, so with this, then maybe finally you should be seeing something like this. Okay, oops, okay, there should be a line here, my mistake. Let me just touch up for you. Okay, let me touch up for you. Okay, so right, this is how you should have your 3D design. Okay, how they should look like. Can? Now, there is one more step. You will need to draw a oblique circle to represent a cover, okay, for the coin hole. So how should you do that? Okay, you will insert another layer just in case it's wrong, then you don't have to erase anything. Use the ruler, the ellipse. Okay, you adjust, such that they form roughly the size. Okay, the ellipse. Okay, you got to adjust. Try playing around with it. Okay, until it looks something like that. Then you draw. Okay, draw the circle to represent the cover. Okay, that will be on both sides. In this case, it's only one side because we will only see the cover on one side of the. Alright, so now your 3D is completed. Okay, so this is the lesson for this lesson itself is to convert 2D drawing to 3D drawing itself. Okay, hope you have enjoyed the lesson.